Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Beef Hotpot. A full list of ingredients can be found below. Or you could just pause the video now. We've all seen an onion and a carrot chopped up, so I'll save you that, but this is how you slice the potatoes. You don't want them too thick and you don't want them too thin. When you've got all the ingredients together, it's time to start cooking. Simply in a heavy based casserole pan, melt some butter and brown off the meat in batches. I think it's only fair to tell you this was originally going to be lamb hot pot, but when we defrosted the meat out of the freezer it turned out it wasn't lamb, it was beef, so it's beef hot pot today. So when you've decided whether your meat is lamb or beef, continue to fry in batches and reserve, being careful when you're frying not to overcrowd the pan. When all the meat is browned and put aside, it's time to add the garlic, carrots and onion to the pot and stir round. Continue to fry for 2 or 3 minutes and then add a tablespoon of flour to the pot and mix in. Again, continue to fry off for a minute or two, then add a good splash of the stock to get all the anxious bits off the bottom of the pan. And when this is done, it's time to add the beef back to the pan, followed by the chopped rosemary and salt and pepper to taste, and again mix through. Then it's time to add the remaining stock and mix in. Then you layer the potato slices across the top of the beef mixture. At this point I'd actually season the potatoes again with a bit of salt and pepper and even a knob of butter. But she who must be obeyed decided it didn't need it, so it did need it. Then it's simply on with the lid and off to a 180 degrees C oven for an hour and a half. And when the hour and a half are up, simply remove from the oven, remove the lid, place back in the oven for a further 30 to 45 minutes. There you have it, beef or lamb hot pot. When my wife first put this in the oven, did anybody notice the oven tray wasn't level? See, weren't watching hard enough. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now, stay safe.